Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making those oh-so-difficult purchasing decisions a breeze. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a jalapeno eating contest. On my left, we've got the iStone HS175D, and on my right, the iStone i5. Let's see which one's gonna soar high and which one's gonna crash and burn. Metaphorically speaking, of course. First up, let's talk about that thing that makes our wallets cry, the price. The iStone HS175D is coming in at a not-so-wallet-friendly $229. But hey, it's got that 4K ultra-clear camera. Maybe it's worth it, right? Meanwhile, the iStone Asurst 5 is like that friend who splits the bill fairly. Only $119. That's almost half the price of the iStone. You could literally buy 2 iStone i5s and still have money left for snacks. Now, let's zoom in on the camera quality. The iStone HS175D boasts a 4K camera. That's right, folks, 4K. You can count the hairs on your neighbor's cat from 300 feet away. It's got a 110 degrees wide-angle lens and a 90 degrees adjustable camera. Reviewers have praised its picture and video quality, although some noted minor issues with electronic image stabilization. On the other hand, the iStone S and 5 is rocking a 1080p HD camera. It's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a high school project. Both are good, but one's definitely got more pizzazz. Reviewers have criticized the iStone Asurst 5 for grainy and low-quality images, making it less ideal for serious photography. Next up, we have the flight time. The iStone HS175D gives you up to 46 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's enough time to make a sandwich, eat it, and still have time to fly. The iStone i5, however, gives you up to 30 minutes. Not bad, but it's like the difference between a Netflix binge and a single episode. Reviewers of the HS175D appreciate the longer flight time, while those who used the iStone Asurst 5 found it adequate but not exceptional. Let's talk about user experience. The iStone HS175D comes packed with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Plus, it's got GPS auto return, so it's like having a drone with a built-in homing pigeon. Reviewers have highlighted its ease of use and useful features, like follow me and waypoint modes. The iStone i5, however, doesn't fall too far behind. It's got headless mode, 1 key start landing, and even hand gesture photo/video. It's like the drone is your personal paparazzi. However, users have reported issues with control and reliability, with some even losing their drones during flight. And finally, design and portability. The iStone HS175D is foldable and comes with a carrying case. It's like the yoga instructor of drones, flexible and easy to carry around. Plus, it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration headaches. Reviewers love its portability and build quality. The iStone i5 is also foldable and ultra-portable. It can fit in your pocket. It's like the James Bond of drones. Sleek, compact, and ready for action. However, some users have found it to be less durable and prone to being lost in windy conditions. Overall, reviewers have found the iStone HS175D to be a solid choice for beginners and experienced users alike, praising its features, camera quality, and ease of use. The iStone i5, while affordable and compact, has received mixed reviews, with users highlighting its basic camera quality and some reliability issues. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS-175D is like the luxury sedan of drones. Feature-packed, high quality, but a bit pricey. The iStone i5 is your reliable, budget-friendly hatchback. It gets the job done without breaking the bank. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and share this video with your fellow drone enthusiasts. Until next time, keep flying smart and buying smarter. Product links are in the description.